In this tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to use Cash App without a social security number. First, open your Cash App. At the top right corner, tap on your profile icon. Scroll down and select Security and Privacy. Inside this section, you'll see an option for identity verification. Tap Verify to begin the process. Cash App will first ask you to enter your personal information. Tap Personal Info, then enter your legal first name and last name. Once entered, tap Next. Next, you'll be asked for your date of birth. Enter your full birth date, then tap Next again. At this point, Cash App will request your social security number. Cash App uses your SSN to verify your identity, help prevent fraud, and comply with federal regulations. They do not use it for credit checks or any other purpose. Now, if you have an SSN, it's highly recommended to complete verification by entering it, but if you don't have a social security number, there is an alternative option. Go back to your profile screen, scroll down and look for the section labeled Family. Tap on Family to open the Sponsored Account option. With a sponsored account, a verified family member who already has a Cash App account can invite you. Your family member will provide their verified information, allowing you to create your own account without needing your own SSN. This sponsored account option is officially allowed by Cash App and is the only way to use Cash App without entering your own social security number. And that's exactly how you can use Cash App without an SSN. Subscribe for more quick Cash App tutorials.